Hello and welcome to Smoobu, the vacation rental software designed specifically for property owners and managers like you. With Smoobu, you can streamline your day-to-day operations into easy-to-use, intuitive software. Today, we'll walk through the first steps of setting up your Smoobu account. When you first log in into Smoobu, you'll land on the home page. Here you'll find an overview of upcoming events like check-in and check-out dates, the activity feed to monitor bookings, modifications, or cancellations, a connectivity checker or portal status to ensure all systems are linked, and finally, a suggestions tab where we share tips to help you manage your rentals efficiently. To start setting up, the first step is to create your properties. Go to Configuration and click on Properties. Under My Accommodations, write your property name into the box. Then click Add Accommodation. Once added, click Edit to fine-tune details like time zone or blocked days before and after arrival. Don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And now, head to the Calendar tab to see all your created properties. Next, let's connect your properties to listing portals like Airbnb or Booking.com. And select Booking Portals. In the Select Portal box, find your preferred portal, click it, in this case, Airbnb, and then click Add Portal. Each portal connection may vary slightly. For Airbnb, for example, ensure you're using a host account, not a co-host. The listing must be active and bookable, and it can only be linked to one channel manager. To connect, click Connect Accounts. If redirected to Airbnb, log in and allow access. If the connection doesn't work initially, log into Airbnb in a separate tab and try again. Once connected, map your properties to its respective listing in Smoobu, click Save, and allow 5 to 10 minutes for data import. Repeat this process for all other portals. For detailed step-by-step guides, check out the Help Center. Smoobu only imports confirmed bookings from each respective portal. It is therefore important to enter your direct bookings and blocked periods if you have any in your Smoobu account. For direct bookings or blocked period, use the Enter Booking button. Add the booking details and click Save or select dates directly on the calendar. For blocked periods, you can add them directly in the Calendar tab. Click and drag or select the days of the desired blocked period. This message box will appear. Click on Blocked Days. Block periods are ideal for maintenance or personal use of the property. Think of Smoobu as your master calendar, so it's essential to keep it 100% accurate with all the bookings and blocked periods. If you have established block periods in the portal, these will not be imported. Thus, it is important to insert them into the Smoobu calendar again. Lastly, let's talk about pricing synchronization. Smoobu can also sync your prices and minimum stay durations. Go to the Pricing tab. Here you see under each accommodations, you can see a line of base prices. There, enter base prices for your direct bookings and website. For portal-specific pricing, please read our prices and minimum stay guide. Remember, Once synced, some portals may prevent editing prices directly on their site. Now, to manage your availabilities, please go to Pricing tab Settings, Availability Settings, set a fixed date or relative days, for example, 200 days from today. When using relative availability in Smoobu, you can set a rolling time frame for booking availability. So for instance, if you enter 200 relative days, Smoobu will ensure that each new day opens booking availability for exactly 200 days ahead from the current date. This setup helps maintain a consistent and automated booking window without manual updates. This feature is particularly useful for hosts who want to continuously offer future availability without setting fixed dates, keeping their calendar open only within a specific ongoing range. Click Overwrite Availabilities to apply these settings. Alternatively, you can request an availability push for up to 2 years through the support Open Ticket feature. For more information regarding availabilities, we recommend you to look up our self-managed availability guide. Check out our pricing guide in the Help Center for more details. And that wraps up our walkthrough to get you started with Smoobu. We hope this video was helpful. If you do need more assistance, however, feel free to submit a request through our website, open a support ticket, or visit our Help Center for detailed guides and articles. Thank you for choosing Smoobu. We're here to make managing your vacation rentals easier every day.